Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install Ventoy from Windows 11. Let's begin. Open your favorite web browser, go to ventoy.net, click Downloads, find the Ventoy Windows zip, then again find the Ventoy's Windows zip, wait for the download, go to your Downloads folder, right click, extract all, inside the Ventoy's folder, double click Ventoy to disk. Click yes. Now the Ventoy application is now running. Find the disk you want to format. Mine is the Realtek RTL 9210 NVMe. Click install. Double check to see if you have the correct drive and type yes in all caps. Click OK. The device will be formatted and all the data will be lost. Confirm and make sure you have the correct disk. Click yes. The device will be formatted and all the data will be lost, so they're double checking. Make sure and confirm. Click yes. Congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to the device. Click OK. Now let's go to our Ventoy drive. All right, let's copy a few ISOs to our Ventoy drive. I'll do Windows 11, 10, and Ubuntu 25.1. Go to your Ventoy drive, open, and paste. I'm using an external NVMe SSD hard drive. Transfer speed was about 600 megabytes per second. Total file size was about 16 gigabytes and only took about less than 30 seconds. I have a tutorial on how to build your own NVMe SSD external hard drive. Check out the link in the description. Now I'll show you how to boot into Ventoy. Restart your computer. Depending on your system, press F9, F10, F11, or F12 to boot into your BIOS. Also check your motherboard or laptop's documentation. Inside the BIOS, change the boot priority so the Ventoy loads first. My Ventoy is installed on UEFI OS with the Realtek RTL 9210. We'll move that to the top of the boot priority. Click Save, and then Exit. You'll see the Ventoy boot menu with all your ISOs listed. Let's test Ubuntu first. Boot into normal mode. We have successfully booted the Ubuntu ISO. Let's test Windows 10 now. We have successfully booted into the Windows 10 installation. Let's test Windows 11. We have successfully booted into the Windows 11 installation. We've successfully booted all three ISOs. Everything worked perfectly. But the real upgrade is in my next video. That's where I'll show you exactly how to build your own NVMe external SSD for much less than store-bought, including the exact parts and the full cost breakdown. You definitely won't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.